Okay, I kind of feel like making a paper airplane. Anthony, do you mind? Oh, thanks. Yeah. Okay. How to make paper airplanes. First, get a pack of construction paper from a store called Schoolbox. I don't want to go to Schoolbox right now. I'll be right back. Okay. You can't see it, but it's over there. Next, you take the paper home and open it. Next, you fold the top of the paper on both sides to make it look like two triangles. Okay. Well, I mean, I could do this. Okay. Next, you fold over those triangles to make them look like another triangle. Okay. Fold the paper in the middle. Okay. Well, okay. I can. Which way do I do it? Okay. Fold one side over vertically.
Say it the right way.
Vertically. Alright, vertically. Vertically. So, how am I supposed to fold it? Fold it on one side vertically. Is that...
I think he has pictures on the next page.
Vertically would be this way, but...
Depending on which way you're holding the airplane, I guess.
Okay, I'll look at the pictures. Okay. Alright. I get your drift. Right. Fold one side over. Next, you fold the top of that to make it look like a wing. And is it... Okay.
Oh, did he not tell you to fold the other side down?
Nope. He said next you fold the top of that.
Oh, so he didn't tell you to do it on both sides?
Nope.
Okay, well go ahead and do it on both sides.
Okay. This is your airplane.
Okay, do it on the other side too.
Okay. It's not even, but it's fine.
Okay, let's go over in the living room and see if it flies.
Alright.
Oh man, getting too old.
And you didn't include hot dog style or horizontally, as middle schoolers say it.
Oh, middle schoolers weren't allowed to say hot dog and hamburger fold?
They're allowed to, but... Alright.
Why? Oh, my picture got greeny all of a sudden.
Okay.
Wonder why. So bad.
It's alright. It's pretty good. Pretty good.
Pretty good?
That's usually how I make it.
Alright, give me a thumbs up.
You get a thumbs in the middle.
Thumbs in the middle?
Oh, it's closer towards up, but...
Okay.
You did alright, even though you only have one winged airplane.
Alright.
Well, wait, you have to see how it actually flies.
Oh, if you hadn't folded it the right way? Alright. Thanks.